Ultra Epic Infinity YT here, and today we're going to show you how to make me and Melon playground. Like seriously, first you go here, you have to pick out the dragon fruit, and now you have to add glasses, which removes that one. Because I have a short hair. Not if you call me bald, then I don't care. But I'm not bald actually. So put on the pants and add the Santa costume. Now we are identicals, and the feet just looks like a shoe. So yeah. So see you guys. Ultra Epic Infinity YT out. But I think I have to get rid of my clone first. I'll get rid of it. I'll get rid of it. Hey clone, die for the video. Oh no. Yay. Now after this video, I'm just gonna kill three robots I kidnapped at night for fun. Bye. Oh yeah, they are strong. So I think, I'm gonna end it with acid. I'm going to end it with a grenade. A robot. Have fun. And also, I'll freeze myself just to inject myself with the immortality just to survive. There. And I'm immortal! Now, have fun with your death, guys. Yeah. Well, bye guys. Ultra Epic Infinity YT out. I'm gonna take these to the trash now. Trash can. Okay, bye guys.